अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ मरियम खान। और आज जब मम्मा ने मंगा लिए थे डूडल आर्ट के लिए और बहुत सारे आर्ट्स के लिए, क्राफ्ट्स के लिए मम्मा ने मंगा लिए थे ब्रशेज़। और आई डोंट रिमेंबर द कंपनी नेम, आई डोंट नो द ब्रांड नेम, लेकिन मम्मा ने मंगा लिए थे। और जो है नाउ आई एम गोना अनबॉक्स इट। So these are the alcohol acrylic markers and now we are gonna unbox it. Let's start. First we remove the wrappers. There are two wrappers on it. So these I ordered from Amazon. Okay. Touch. So these are the Sun Kizers alcohol markers. And they say touch 48 pieces. There are total 48 pieces and they have a handling bag also like this. Alright, so this is very nice. It looks so good, so we can carry it anywhere we want. Alright, so if I go to my hometown, I can still be in contact with you all with my doodles. Alright, so when you open it, we get all these colors. Okay, so this is the qualified certificate inspector 11. Alright, so these are so cute colors. These are very vibrant colors, and the favorite one I just saw is this one. It is so good. They are so good because I've ordered these markers for the first time. Alright, so these are total 48 pieces of markers. Alright, so these are very nice. These are very vibrant colors and I'm gonna start using them. Alright, so one is the fine tip we have, and one is the broad tip. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, so I was showing you all the broad tip, right? Which pen was it? Oh, see, this one is the broad one and the other one is the fine one. Alright, so this one is the fine one and this one is the broad one. Alright, so we are gonna work on it now. Alright, so this is how it works. Definitely very nice and I love it now. I'm gonna use these only for my art types, like wow. And let's see this one. Alright, so this one is also very nice. It's like brush pens, but brush pens are actually the move, and but this one is very good, like very good. This was my first time just buying all these shades and seeing all these shades. This one is actually my favorite one. Alright, this is which color is it? It doesn't say which color. Alright, mauve shadow. So I like this I like this shade a lot. Look, wow. Me and my best friend Taiba, we both love this shade a lot, so it's very nice. Okay, so guys, this was all for today and I hope you like this video. Do buy it from Amazon. Inshallah I'll put the link in the description box also. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Allah Hafiz.